Here's the news of the day. ZenaDrone is testing high-density batteries for its ZenaDrone 1000, aiming to enhance endurance for defense missions and secure Blue UAS certification for U.S. military applications. SkyDrive and JR Kyushu plan to launch eVTOL air taxi services in Oita by 2028, aiming to enhance regional transport with affordable flights connecting key tourist and urban areas. Air Methods has launched Native Air 23 in Goodyear, Arizona, expanding emergency air medical services across Maricopa County with 24/7 critical care and rapid response capabilities. ANRA Technologies completed its role in the KALIS project, advancing drone-based medical deliveries for NHS Scotland with beyond visual line-of-sight operations and integrated airspace management solutions. Eve Air Mobility joins a 2-year regulatory sandbox in Brazil to develop vertiport infrastructure, focusing on safety, operations, and eVTOL integration for future advanced air mobility services. Avuma Airlines partners with the aircraft company to explore hybrid electric regional aircraft, aiming for sustainable travel across the UK, Ireland, and Europe, with potential fleet investments this year. The Santa Barbara County Fire Department receives a $100,000 drone system from a nonprofit, enabling safer backfire operations in hard-to-reach wildfire areas using self-igniting plastic spheres. To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.